Hi everyone, this is Part2 Lab 6 using spatial overlays to create a build and no build layer. In step 1, make sure 3 layers are added to your content pane, which are exits 1 meter buffer, indicom zones, and also SS 1200 layers. Step 2, go to analysis and then go to tools and go to toolboxes. There, go to analysis tools and then select intersect. Step 3, add each of the 3 layers as your input feature names. So for input features, so we will use exits 1 meter buffer, indicom zones, and then HS 1200. Name the output feature class build. So name it build. Leave the attributes to join as all attributes. And output type is same as input. Click run. Now you have the build layer that is added to your contents pane. In step 4, select the appropriate overlay operation, and you need to consult the week's lecture site as well as the link in the instruction to make the informed decision. So this is either or condition. So for either or condition, we are going to use union, and we need to perform the overlay. So go to analysis and then go to tools and then click union. And for input features, it would be plot buff, and place wise layer, and give the name as no build. For the output feature class name, no build, and then run it. We can also change the symbology, and then answer question number 5. Which overlay operation did you choose and why? And once you have answered question number 5, go to step 5. Go to overlay tools. Click erase tool in step 6, and then in step 7, in the erase dialog, select build as your input. Build is input, and then no build as erase features. Save the output feature class is sites, and then click run. You can uncheck the other layers for now. And then your side layer should look like this. And then in step, and then for task to screenshot 1, take screenshot of the size layer that you have, and then add it so that your polygons are clearly visible. And this is your end of task 2 for lab 6. Thank you.